Imagine waking up the breathtaking sunrise views surrounded by nature, all from the comfort of your very own modern tiny home on wheels, with its sleek curves design, massive windows, and cozy wooden siding. This is not just a house, it's a lifestyle. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive tour of this stunning mobile retreat designed for ultimate comfort, style, and freedom. Could this be your dream home? Let's find out. Welcome to a home like no other, a beautifully designed modern curved tiny house that redefines small space living with its elegant sloping ceiling, massive window, a warm wooden interior. The space is both cozy and functional. Today we will take you on a complete tour of this stunning tiny home, showcasing every thoughtful detail that makes it the perfect blend of style, comfort, and efficiency. Let's step inside. As soon as you enter, you are greeted by an open and airy space bathed in natural light. The large windows not only bring in plenty of sunshine but also offer breathtaking views of the surroundings. The sloping ceiling adds a sense of spaciousness, making this home feel far bigger than you would expect. Now let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. Despite its compact size, this kitchen is designed to be fully functional. We have sleek countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, and plenty of cabinet storage to keep everything organized. And the wooden finish on the cabinet blends seamlessly with the overall aesthetic, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Plus, there's a two-burner stove and a mini fridge, perfect for preparing home-cooked meals on the go. Moving on, we have the cozy main sleeping area. A comfortable bed is tucked neatly beneath the loft, maximizing the use of vertical space. The wooden walls and soft lighting create a relaxing ambience, making this perfect spot to unwind after a long day. And don't worry, there's plenty of hidden storage underneath to keep the space clutter-free. Above the main bed, we have a loft area accessible by these beautiful wooden stairs. But here's the clever part, each step doubles as a storage cabinet. This smart design ensures that no space goes to waste. The loft itself is a great spot for an extra bed, a reading book, or a reading nook, or even additional storage. Imagine curling up here with a good book while enjoying the view from the large window. This modern curved tiny house is a perfect example of how innovative design and can transform small space into something truly special. From the well-lit interior to the smart storage solution and beautiful craftsmanship, this home proves that you don't need a massive space to live comfortably. Would you live in a home like this? Let's ask now in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, then and hit the notification bell. We are taking you behind the scene of the yearly construction progress of this modern curved tiny house on wheels. With its unique sloping roof frame, beautifully designed wooden siding, and a layout that perfectly aligns with the wheels, this home is already shaping up to be an architectural masterpiece. Parking on a serene grass field, surrounded by tall trees and glow sunrise. This is a perfect setting for a dream tiny home in the making. And join us we take a closer look at the details of this exciting build. Every great home start with a strong foundation, and for a tiny house of on wheels, the, that foundation is the chassis. The steel frame base is built for durability, ensuring the structure remains stable and secure while allowing mobility. The wheels are strategically positioned to balance the weight of the house, making sure it remains safe and steady on the road. Every bolt and weld has been carefully crafted, laying the groundwork for that will soon be a stunning and functional living space. One of the most striking features of this tiny house is its curved roof frame. Sorry. Unlike traditional flat or of A-frame roof, this modern design follows a smooth, linear curve that gives the home a sleek and aerodynamic appearance. and the frame is made from lightweight yet sturdy materials, ensuring both strength and flexibility. This design not only adds to the home's aesthetic appeal but also helps with efficient rainwater runoff and maximize interior space. As you can see, the framing process is well underway. Each wooden beam is meticulously placed to form the skeleton of the house, giving us a glimpse of its final slope. The open structure lets us appreciate how spacious and airy the interior will feel once completed. Now let's talk about the wooden siding. Even the even in this early stage, you can see how the natural wood blends beautifully with the surroundings. The siding will not only enhance the tiny home's modern aesthetic but also provide insulation and protection from the elements. And the builders have carefully selected high quality, weather resistant wood that will age gracefully over time, adding character to the home's exterior. And right now, the siding is being measured and cut to fit perfectly along the curved frame. The precision is this step is crucial. The precision in this step is crucial, ensuring that the final product is seamless, durable, and visual stunning. And as we step back and take in the whole scene, it's impossible to ignore the beauty of the location. This tiny house is parked on a peacefully grassy field surrounded by tall trees that create a natural calming atmosphere. In the distance beyond the trees, a building adds a subtle contrast to the otherwise untouched landscape. And then there's the sky, whether it's sunrise or sunset, the warm golden hues cast a magical glow over the entire construction site. This tranquil setting is a perfect reminder of why tiny house living is so appealing. It's about the simplicity, connection with the nature, and the freedom to build a home wherever your heart desires. With the foundation set, the curved roof frame in place, and the exterior siding beginning to take shape, the progress on this modern tiny house is well on its way. In the next phase, we will see the interior come to life with insulation, flooring, and windows transforming this skeletal structure into cozy and functional living space. Stay tuned as we continue this journey. This is early stage of construction is just the beginning of what promises to be an incredible tiny home, from the carefully designed curved roof to the natural wooden siding and serene surroundings. Everything about this build is thoughtfully planned to create a perfect blend of beauty and functionality. And so, what do you think about this tiny home design so far? Okay, when you think of a tiny house, you might wonder how can such a small space, including a comfortable and stylish bathroom. Well, today we were diving into one of the most impressive parts of this modern curved tiny home. This is a bathroom. With this unique sloping ceiling, elegant wooden siding, and smart saving space or space saving design, this bathroom provides that tiny living doesn't mean sacrificing luxury. Okay, as you walk in, the first thing you notice is how bright and open the space feels. The well placed window allows natural light to float in, giving the bathroom an airy and fresh ambience. The combination of warm wooden siding and modern fixture creates a perfect blend of rustic charm and contemporary comfort. And with the exhaust fan above, the space stays well ventilated, preventing moisture build up and keeping the air fresh at all times. And now let's talk about one of the most essential feature of any bathroom, the toilet. This tiny home is equipped with a sleek, space-saving toilet that fits perfectly into the design, whether it's a composting toilet for off-grid living or a standard flush toilet. It's designed to be efficient and environmentally friendly. Plus, its placement ensure easy access while keeping the rest of the bathroom feelings open and uncluttered. Moving on, we have the shower cabin, essential part of any well-designed tiny home. Despite the compact space, this shower is spacious enough for a comfortable experience. The transparent glass doors help maintain an open feel, preventing the space from feeling boxed in. With the modern rainfall shower head and a sleek, minimalistic design, this shower offers a spa-like experience right inside a tiny home. Okay, next up we have a sink and mirror area, arguably one of the most stylish parts of this bathroom. The basin sink sits atop a compact yet functional vanity, providing just enough counter space for daily essential. The wooden finish of the vanity blends seamlessly with the bathroom interior, keeping the design consistent and warm. Above the sink, we have a beautifully framed mirror that reflects light, making the space feel even bigger. Plus, there's hidden storage behind the mirror for keeping toiletries organized and out of sight. One of the best thing about this bathroom is how every inch is used efficiently. The exhaust fan ensures proper air circulation, preventing any damps or mold buildup. The built-in shelves and small storage compartment offer plenty of room for essential like towels, toiletries, and other bathroom necessities. Every detail in thoughtfully designed to make the most out of this compact yet functional space. This modern curved tiny home bathroom is proof that small space can be both stylish and highly functional. From the sloping ceiling and warm wooden accents to the well-lit design and smart storage solution, this bathroom offers comfort, elegance, and practically all within a compact footprint. Okay, so what do you think about this bathroom? Okay, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, it's only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there's a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give you all useful ideas and inspiration by this video. Okay, guys, what do you think about the video right now? And please type on the comment below. And thanks for watching until the end and have a good day.